Okay, so I have been eating a lot last dinner. That's why I woke up really groggy at 6 a.m. It's not because I was sick. I was just like taking 1 week of break from YouTube because I would actually be doing some uninteresting stuffs. And today, I'm just looking fine. There's nothing's wrong with me. I'm doing well so far. Do you miss me? I'm gonna be talking about what I have been up to since the 5th day of January. In January 5, I was producing a vlog. I found that not interesting, so I scrapped that vlog. On the 6th day of January, I was also vlogging, but I didn't find it interesting, so I scrapped them. And on the January 9th, I was vlogging. It was Sunday. We were roaming around the city. I was doing this vlog, but I find it not interesting, and I scrapped them. On the 12th day of January, I started developing a cough, and then I got a 2-day fever. I was not been feeling well for 1 week, and then my cough just gotten better, and as of now I don't really have a cough anymore. I've been doing well, and it's good to be back because today's vlog is gonna be interesting. As of the time that I'm recording this, I'm still waiting for the order. There's gonna be something interesting. In 2017, I was inspired by my classmate. He used to be solving the Rubik's Cube in under a minute. I was impressed with what he really has come up into solving it. I was impressed, and then I got started with solving the Rubik's Cube. I learned every tutorials in getting faster and getting better, and impressed with the better Rubik's Cubes. So let's check what's inside. Here we go! Here we go. Rubik's Cube turns so fast. Whatever it is in the box, I'm impressed with unboxing and anything like that. The turning is so impressive. The way that this is built is what I'm very impressed. What's special about this cube is it costs $70. It's about 7 times the price of the original Rubik's Cube. You can purchase 7 of original Rubik's Cubes to purchase one of these. Why this thing costs $70 is the adjustable magnets on my cube. You can control its speed, you can control the strength of the magnets in order to make your Rubik's Cube go either faster or stable or less stable. It includes the set which you can customize the magnets of your cube, which will make your Rubik's Cube go either much more stable or less stable. It's just got the ID. And then we got this. This is like the magic lubrication for my Rubik's Cube, which is supposed to be used by professional Rubik's Cube solvers to make their Rubik's Cube go smoother and faster and the way they expect. This is the solution to the slow Rubik's Cube. Because I applied the lubrication into my Rubik's Cube, you can see the entire part is kinda oily. And that's the thing about applying lube. It makes the Rubik's Cube go faster and smoother. So, I was finding my older Rubik's Cube earlier. I have not touched that Rubik's Cube since the second week of September last 2021. Been trying to find my card tries already. I also try to find anywhere my house, because the last time I ever touched it was in the car. I didn't know if I actually have brought it with me inside when we arrived home from the city. We're just trying to find it in the car. See if this is my last hope. I'm wishing my last hope is gonna be a fortune one. Let me check if it is over here. It's not in his seat. I'm gonna try to find it in the front seat or anywhere in the front. Okay, now I'm in the front. I'm trying to find it here. It's not in the seat. So it's not in the front seat, so I'm gonna try to find it located in the back. It's also not here. I'll try to locate somewhere in the floor of this car. Wait, I felt something. Yes! I found the Rubik's Cube! I gotta solve this because it was left being scrambled. I just found the Rubik's Cube! I thought I was never gonna find it in the car. I actually found the Rubik's Cube, man! I am so surprised. I thought it wasn't in the car, but I actually found it in the car. It was just below the driver's seat. Can I do something with this? I noticed that this Rubik's Cube turns a little bit much more sluggish, not easier to turn than the one that I have. Take away all of the parts of my Rubik's Cube, cleaned each and every pieces of it, assembled it back, applied 3 to 4 drops of lubrication, scramble, solve. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing some solves on my new Rubik's Cube and my old Rubik's Cube. I got a higher average of 5 on my newer Rubik's Cube than on my old Rubik's Cube. Because of the way how it turns, I always got an inaccurate turns in this old cube. And it's easier for me to control and twist the layers of this Rubik's Cube much easily. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video.